Good government, to me, is working in a collaborative partnership, whether it's with other agencies, whether it's at other levels of government, especially the National Weather Service. We all had to work together in a collaborative, trusted manner. I was drawn to the National Weather Service for two fundamental reasons. One was the mission statement of providing observations, forecasts, and warnings for the protection of life and property. And because the modernization of the National Weather Service, we were very confident that the advances we were making from a technology perspective were really making a difference. But 2011 happened. In 2011, we saw some of the deadliest tornado outbreaks in the history of the United States. We were stunned as we saw the casualty numbers coming in, and it turns out that the death toll from that 2011 event was almost exactly the same as the number of lives lost in the 1974 tornado outbreak. Why was the total number of people killed in this storm almost the same as that storm system in 1974? After all the advancements being made, we lost the same number of lives. This had a tremendous impact on people in the Weather Service, and it became apparent to me that our job just didn't end with a forecast and warning. We had to work with the emergency management community as a team from the very beginning to better understand what they needed, and the only way that that would happen is if we committed ourselves to be there with them, to be in their space so that we could provide the information that they needed, data, observations, forecasts, warnings, and impact-based decision support services to actually conduct evacuations and also to accelerate the response to the systems for the protection of life and property. And in just a few years, we were starting to see major improvements. We noticed a significant drop-off in the casualties to these storms. We also noticed communities actually responding better to evacuation orders days in advance. And in fact, at joint conferences, the emergency managers were emphasizing how this partnership was revolutionizing the emergency management community from being one that was reacting to extreme events to one that was proactively planning and getting out ahead of the storm systems. It was really amazing to see this and realize our mission statement of saving lives and property.